curvature node is very useful if you want to just highlight edges, for example, without having to paint it yourself or whatever. Oftentimes for painted objects, you can see like a sort of lightened color for the edges of it or for the corners. Where the corners are is oftentimes where it gets worn out the most, any object, especially if it's like a hard object. And you can do that with the curvature node, also only in Goo Engine. All of these I'm going to show you now are going to be in Goo Engine. It's kind of like the pointiness node in Blender Cycles, but since we don't have that in Blender, in Eevee, we have this node here. Also, as a quick note, if you use a map range, for example, use a map range, and then you put the scene curvature in there. By default, the scene curvature only shows you basically concave edges. But if you want to see the creases or the convex edges, those edges are basically saved in the negative values. So if you want to see them, you probably basically want to set the max to 0 and then the minimum to -1. And then you can see we have the values right there. And then the other output that you have here for the curvature is the scene rim, which is kind of working like a rim light basically, which can be very useful to add a little bit more atmosphere. Could also be useful for characters, for example, if you want to imitate like a big light behind the character, lighting up the sides of the character or the silhouette of the character. That's for the rim light, for example, can be useful.